Hey everyone, it's great to be back with you again. In today's video, we're going to discuss the latest news about XRP. As you may know, XRP is a digital currency that's used for fast and low-cost cross-border payments. It's also the native currency of the XRP ledger, which is an open-source blockchain technology that's designed for enterprise use. Over the years, XRP has become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world, and it's used by a wide range of financial institutions and payment processors. So, without further ado, let's jump into the latest news about XRP. Welcome to XRP Insider. We provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. Let's start by talking about XRP's recent price movements. As of today, XRP is trading at around 55 cents, which is down from its all-time high of $3.40 in early 2018. XRP has had a bumpy ride over the past few years, but it's still one of the top cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization. In fact, as of today, XRP is the seventh largest cryptocurrency by market cap, with a total value of around $25 billion. Now, let's talk about the biggest news surrounding XRP, its ongoing legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. In December 2020, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, the company behind XRP, alleging that the company had conducted an unregistered securities offering by selling XRP to retail investors. The lawsuit claimed that XRP should be considered a security and that Ripple had violated U.S. securities laws by selling it to the public. The lawsuit had a significant impact on XRP's price, as many cryptocurrency exchanges stopped trading XRP in response to the SEC's allegations. However, Ripple has vehemently denied the SEC's allegations and has vowed to fight the lawsuit in court. The case is ongoing, and there have been several developments over the past few weeks. On February 15, 2021, Ripple Labs filed a motion to dismiss the SEC's lawsuit, arguing that the agency had exceeded its jurisdiction by regulating XRP as a security. The motion claimed that XRP is a currency, not a security, and that the SEC had not provided clear guidance on how to classify digital assets. Ripple also argued that the SEC's lawsuit had caused immeasurable prejudice to the company, its employees, and the XRP community. The motion to dismiss is a significant development in the lawsuit, as it represents the first formal response from Ripple to the SEC's allegations. The motion is expected to be heard in court in the coming weeks, and the outcome will be closely watched by the cryptocurrency community. In addition to the motion to dismiss, there have been several other recent developments in the lawsuit. On February 10, 2021, the SEC filed a motion to compel Ripple to produce documents related to XRP transactions that the agency believes were made in violation of U.S. securities laws. The SEC has accused Ripple of not providing enough information about these transactions, which allegedly involve hundreds of millions of dollars. Ripple has also been seeking to depose SEC officials, including former SEC Director of Corporate Finance William Hinman. Hinman is a key figure in the lawsuit, as he gave a speech in 2018 in which he suggested that Ethereum, another cryptocurrency, was not a security. Ripple has argued that Hinman's speech shows that the SEC has not provided clear guidance on how to classify digital assets, which has caused confusion and uncertainty in the industry. In conclusion, the legal battle between Ripple and the SEC is a significant development in the cryptocurrency industry, and the outcome of the case will have far-reaching implications for the regulation of digital assets. While XRP's price has been affected by the lawsuit, the currency's underlying technology and use case remain strong. If Ripple is successful in its motion to dismiss, it could be a major victory for the cryptocurrency industry as a whole, as it would set a precedent for how digital assets are regulated in the United States. On the other hand, if the SEC is successful in its case against Ripple, it could have a chilling effect on the industry, as other cryptocurrencies may also be deemed securities and subject to regulation. Regardless of the outcome, the lawsuit highlights the need for clear guidance from regulators on how to classify and regulate digital assets. The cryptocurrency industry is still in its early stages, and it's important for regulators to strike the right balance between protecting investors and allowing innovation to flourish. In the meantime, XRP holders and the wider cryptocurrency community will be watching the lawsuit closely, as its outcome could have a significant impact on the future of digital assets. While the legal battle continues, XRP's fundamental technology and use case remain strong, and the currency is likely to remain an important player in the world of cross-border payments. Attorney John E. Deaton, as previously reported, had asserted that the only victory the United States Securities and Exchange Commission would likely claim in its case against Ripple is that the blockchain payments company sold XRP as a security from 2013 to 2017. In a lengthy Twitter thread yesterday, the lawyer representing over 75,000 XRP holders as a friend of the court in the case gives more insight into the reasoning behind his claims. In the thread, Deaton explains that the market regulator fails to apply a specific Howey analysis by specifying transactions that represented security offerings. Instead, he says the market regulator attempts to use what he describes as the equivalent of a but-for test to claim all XRP sales represent securities. According to Deaton, the SEC's theory is that because Ripple put in the effort to help create a secondary market for XRP, all XRP constitutes securities regardless of the circumstances of the sale. The lawyer bases this on a claim made by the SEC in its summary judgment motion. Defendants do not dispute that they offered and sold XRP in exchange for money, which suffices to establish the investment of money aspect of the Howey test, the SEC wrote. Defendants' statements and efforts as to XRP establish the other aspects of the Howey test as a matter of law. For context, the but-for test is commonly used in tort and criminal cases to show culpability by proving that an outcome results from a party's action and would otherwise not be the case if the party acted differently. In addition, Deaton points out that the SEC puts undue focus on the token, XRP, to sidestep a proper Howey analysis. The lawyer shows that the market regulator argues that XRP represents both the investment contract and the common enterprise. The lawyer faults this, noting that it is not how Howey is applied, as the circumstances of the sale usually determine if an offering represents an investment contract. Recall that Deaton has often emphasized that the underlying asset of an investment contract cannot, on its own, represent a security. Notably, per a report from the attorney, he convinced the judge of this in the LBRY case, forcing the SEC to commit to it on record. Consequently, the attorney believes that SEC could have had a straightforward and winnable case if they had conducted a proper Howey analysis guided by the circumstances of the sale, which will narrow things down to specific transactions, not all XRP sales, as it currently claims. This is why I said the SEC may have snatched defeat from the jaws of victory, Deaton wrote in the thread, disclosing that he points out to Judge Annalisa Torres that the SEC's claims in the Ripple case are possibly the broadest and the farthest reaching the regulator has made in any enforcement action. As both parties have submitted all required briefs in the case and await a court ruling, speculations about the possible outcomes have dominated conversations. Deaton has expressed that a jury trial is likely. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest news in the world of cryptocurrency. See you again soon on XRP Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.